Very good morning and Jai Hind, my dear students. As we are studying money chapter, today's topic is addition. Today we are going to add the money. Okay, so for that, everyone take out your maths notebook and your book also, both notebook and book. Alright, so first we will be doing the notebook work, then we are going to do the book work. So first of all, everyone take out your notebooks. Alright, let's start. Alright, so now let's start. First of all, everyone write down here CW classwork. Now put date over here in the corner and then write heading add the money. Add the money. This is today's topic. Okay, so everyone write it down. Then we will start the question. Alright, now here I am writing the first question. First, second, third and fourth. Okay, total 4 questions we are going to do in classwork and 4 questions I will be giving you as homework. Now, first of all, you have to write. Okay, first you have to write this rupees and paise. Okay, for rupees, then leave one box for the decimals and then write paise. In every question you have to do like this, rupees and then leave one box and then write paise. Rupees, then leave one box and then write P for paise. Rupees and paise. Okay, now after writing, we have to write the question. First question is 12.30. That means 12 rupees, 1 to 12 rupees and 30 paise. In one box you have to write one digit. Be clear about it. Now what we have to add? We need to add 6 rupees and 25 paise. Alright. So now we will draw the line like this. And then here we will be writing answer. The addition which we used to do earlier, जैसे हम addition करते हैं, we have to do in the same way, but here we have to use rupees and paisa and this decimal also. ठीक है? So after writing question, now what we have to do? We need to add. So always start from the corner side, right? एकदम हम right side corner से start करते हैं. 5 plus 0 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. Then decimal you have to put in the same line. Remember that. Every time you have to put decimal in the same straight line. Now 6 plus 2 is how much? 8. Then 1. So how much rupees we got? We got 18 rupees and 55 paise. So here you have to write rupees 18.55. Like this you will write. Okay. Understood? So now we will be doing the next question. This is your answer. Next. Second question is 25 rupees and 50 paise. 25 rupees and 50 paise. तो कैसे लिखते हैं हम? 25.50. ठीक है. Next है, we have to add about how much amount? 30 rupees and 50 paise. Okay. Again we have to start from the paisa side, from the right side. Alright, so in the right side what number is there? 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5, 10. Then carry we will bring over here. Now here decimal will be in the straight line. Now 5 plus 1 is how much? 6. 3 plus 2, 5. So we got the answer rupees 56.00. Like this, 56 rupees we have got answer. Alright, so in this way you have to write down. Next we have to do other questions. Now I'm going to write the next question. You have to see and note it down in your notebook. Next question is 142 rupees and 40 paise. Alright, we have to add 45 rupees and 30 paisa in this. Alright, let's start addition. Let's start this addition. Next we have fourth number 247.50 add 58.25. Okay, so we need to add it also. Now let's start addition. 0 plus 0 is how much? 0. 4 plus 3 is 7. Now decimal we have to put in the same line as I have told you. Now 5 plus 2 is 7. 4 plus 4 is 8. And here we got 1. So what amount we have got? Rupees 187.70 paise. Alright. So we got rupees 187 and 70 paise as an answer. Now after that we have to do question number 4. Remember that whenever you are writing the question, you have to write it in proper sequence and decimal should be in the same line. Rupees will be one side and next in the opposite side there will be paisa. So you have to mention that and clearly. Now 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Decimal will be in the same line. Now 7 plus 8. So here this is 15, carry 1. Okay, carry 1. So 5 plus 4 is how much? 9 plus 1, 10. So we got here 3. So what answer we have got? Rupees 305.75 paise. 305 and 75 paise. Okay. So rupees 305 and 75 paise. If you can't see, just see now. You can see properly. Now note it down the questions for the classwork. Alright. Then now I am going to give you the homework questions. Okay. So now I am going to give you the homework questions. Be ready for that. Now I am going to give you homework. This was classwork. Now it's time for homework. In question, here you have to write add the money as we have done in classwork. Now write here rupees and paisa. Rupees. Okay. Rupees and paisa. Here again rupees, paisa, rupees, paisa. Now first question is 27 rupees and 75 paise. In this we have to add 12 rupees and only 12 rupees. Okay, you have to add and write answer here like this. Clear? Next we have 74 rupees and 75 paise. We need to add in this 14 rupees 25 paise. If you want, you can take a screenshot of the questions or else I will be sending the PDF. You can wait for that. Okay. Now next two questions are, they are of 3 digit. 342 rupees and 50 paise. 254 rupees and 20 paise. Just add it and write answer. Whenever you are writing the answer, remember that you have to mention rupees symbol. Okay, put rupees symbol, then write rupees dot paise. Okay. Next question is 458 rupees 50 paise. Add 278 rupees in this. Okay, so now you have to add this and write the answer. So this is your homework. Now after doing this classwork and homework in the notebook, now you have to do the book work. Page number 158. Everyone open page 158. This is your homework. Note it down properly and write it down, students. Okay? This is your homework. This is your classwork. 4 questions for classwork and 4 questions for homework. Clear? In this way, in the next day we are going to do the subtraction in the same way. ऐसे ही हम subtraction भी करेंगे. Clear? So this was your classwork. 4 questions. Write down like this. An answer में आपको ये mention करना ज़रूरी है. Rupees symbol, rupees 56. Point के बाद जितना होगा that means that is पैसा. So पैसे का P लिखने की need नहीं है. Okay? Now this is your homework. Everyone note it down. And now we will move to book work, that is page number 158. Everyone open page number 158. 158. Page number 158. Right, so see here everyone. Now here is given adding and subtracting money. Here are some toys with their price tags on them. यहाँ पे कुछ toys दिए हुए हैं. See, this is teddy bear. This is an helicopter, ball, car, and this is a soft toy kind. Right? या doll कह सकते हैं. So now, everybody here, whatever toys is here, they have the price tag. Like this teddy bear is of 15 rupees, this helicopter 42 rupees, this ball is of 18 rupees, car is of 65 rupees, and this doll is of 32 rupees. Right? Now we have to use this and we have to solve the question. Now here it is, add and find the total cost of. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, ऐड करना है and we need to find the total cost. One ball is equals to rupees 80. Now one car is how much? You can see here the car price is 65. So you will write here 65. In your book, this you have to do in your book, page number 158. Now here we need to find out the total cost. So now what you have to do? We are doing what? 18 and 65 we are adding together. This is what? Rupees. So now add 8 plus 5 is how much? 13. Yes. So we will write here 3 and here 1 carry. Right? 6 plus 1 is 7 plus 1 8. So what we have got? 83. So now total cost is 83. Got it? So now just write it down. Everybody 65 here and 83 here as we got the answer. Now after doing first question, we have to do next two questions. Subtraction part we will be doing in the next class, that is on Tuesday. Today we are doing only the addition part, half part of this question. Alright, now move to the next question. In the next question, the helicopter price is given 42. If you want, you can check. See, helicopter price is 42. Next, we have to write the cost of teddy bear. Now, see what is the cost of teddy bear. Teddy bear is of 15 rupees, right? So, what you have to write here? Rupees 15. Now, what we have to do? We need to add 42 plus 15. We have to add this. So, 5 plus 2 is how much? 7. 4 plus 1, 5. So what we have got? 57 rupees. Clear? 57 rupees. The cost of helicopter plus teddy bear is 57. Now next we have a doll and a ball. Okay. Now let's check the price. Let me erase this first. Now see, first is doll. You can see doll is of 32 rupees. Yes, it is already here. You can see 32 rupees is of doll. Next is a ball. What is the cost of a ball? Ball is of rupees 18. Right? So 18 rupees. So one ball is equals to 18 rupees. Now what we have to do? We need to add this 32 and 18. Right? We need to add. 8 plus 2, how much? 10, carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So how much we got? Total cost is 50 rupees. So you have to write down Okay, 50 rupees. Let me write it clearly. This is 50 rupees. Okay, everybody do this in the page number 158. You have to complete this, right? So what is today's work? 2 pages in notebook and 1 page in book. So first of all, what you have to do? First you have to do the notebook work, CW, that is add the money. Okay, in notebook. Then you have to do homework, add the money. All right, and then page number 158 in book you have to do, students. That here also we have to do 3 questions of checkpoint. Yes, we are doing what? Checkpoint, 3 questions. Okay, 3 questions only. The next 3 questions we will be discussing while studying the subtraction. All right. So complete this 4 questions here, 4 questions here, and here we have done 3. So we have practiced this much. Okay. So complete everyone. इन दिस वे आपको ऐसे कोई भी क्वेश्चन दे सकते हैं कि प्राइस टैग्स दिए हैं किसी भी चीज़ की एंड यू हैव टू ऐड दी मनी. यू कैन डू इट. इट्स वेरी इजी, राइट? ओके students, it's very important to know that how to write down the digits properly. Remember that whenever you are writing, write rupees like this and here paisa, leave one box for the point, right? Agar 3 digit hai to you will write in one box like 147.20. अगर ऐसे है 147 रुपीज़ 20 पैसे. देन इसमें हमें ऐड करना है 36 रुपीज़ 40 या 50 पैसे. लाइक in this way you have to do in the notebook, right? So that it will look nice, and this is the proper method of writing the money. So always remember, you have to write rupees, then you have to leave one box, then you have to write paise, p, and here will be your decimal part. Clear? Like it's 14 rupees 50 paise, 6 rupees 25 paise. So you have to add in this way and then you have to write the answer. कोई भी क्वेश्चन होगा, सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है? रुपीज़ लिखना है, देन लीव वन बॉक्स, देन पैसे, फिर रुपीज़ जितना दिया, लाइक 14 रुपीज़ अगर दिया है एंड 20 पैसे, एंड यहाँ पे दिया है 12 रुपीज़ 50 पैसे. सो यू विल राइट लाइक दिस एंड देन यू हैव टू एड राइट आंसर. क्लियर? So in money chapter, 2 things are very important. One is rupees, one is paise. And whenever we are writing answer, why we are writing rupees 37.50? We are not writing paise here. क्यों हम पैसे नहीं लिख रहे हैं? Let me tell you. क्योंकि हमने लिखा rupees 37.50. 0.50 का मतलब है, डेसिमल लग जाने का मतलब ही यही है कि वो उतने पैसे हैं. सो दैट इज वाई वी आर नॉट राइटिंग पी. क्लियर? सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज 14 रुपीज़. नाउ लेट मी राइट रुपीज़ पैसे. नाउ इफ इट इज 10 रुपीज़ 50 पैसे प्लस 2 रुपीज़ 35 पैसे, अगर ये क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है, सो हम आंसर कैसे लिखेंगे? 5 + 0 इज 5, 5 + 3 8. नाउ डेसिमल के नीचे ही आपका डेसिमल आएगा सेम सीक्वेंस में. 0 + 2 इज 2, या 1. सो आंसर लिखते टाइम हमें ये ध्यान देना है कि रुपीज़ लिखने के बाद ये जो रुपीज़ पार्ट आया है वो लिखेंगे, दैट इज़ 12, फिर डेसिमल एंड देन 85 पैसे. सो पैसे के लिए हमें पी लिखने की नीड नहीं है, बिकॉज डेसिमल सिंबलाइज, ये जो पॉइंट है ये सिंबलाइज करता है कि ये आधा पार्ट रुपीज़ है, और डेसिमल के बाद जो आता है, ये पॉइंट के बाद जो आता है, दैट इज योर पैसा. ऑलराइट, सो this is the bifurcation of rupees and paisa. So it's not required every time to write paisa always. In answer we always write rupees 200.10 paisa. You have studied this कि हम रुपीज़ और पैसे को ऐसे ही लिखते हैं, ऐसे ही पढ़ते हैं. तो जब आप एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन भी करोगे, so you have to just write answer in this way. Clear? So complete your today's work. Everything, book work, notebook, everything you have to complete. Okay, I hope you have understood today's topic. So complete all the work in the notebook and in the book, and everybody start preparing for your exams as annual exam is very near. So study hard, students, right? And practice more and more, and you will get your exams. You will have your exams very soon. So start preparing. All right. Bye bye. Take care.